Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a powerful way to make your Power BI dashboard stand out by creating dynamic, auto-updating titles for your visuals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your chart titles respond in real time to your users' selections, which not only makes your reports much more interactive, but also tells a clearer story with your data. So let's start with why you'd even want dynamic titles in Power BI. Static titles just sit there, they tell you what a chart is, but not necessarily which part of your data you're looking at, especially if you're slicing and filtering. With dynamic titles, your charts adjust automatically. For example, instead of a boring sales report heading, imagine your title updating instantly to show Sales Report 2024 Electronics, anytime someone picks that year and category. It's a small touch, but it makes it so much easier for others to understand your reports at a glance, and it looks extra professional. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using some simple sample sales data, but you can follow along with any dataset that has fields like category and year. The key technique works the same no matter what your data looks like. Here, how you do it. First, we need to create a special formula, a measure that builds your title for you. Head up to the Modeling tab and choose New Measure. Give it a name like Dynamic Title. Then enter this measure formula, Dynamic Title equals Sales Report for. And now, here comes the magic, using the IF and ISFILTRAD functions plus SCLECTDVLUE. What this does is check if someone picked a category. If yes, it grabs the name of the selected category, say electronics. If not, it writes all categories. That way, the title is always clear about the scope. Then we add in and do the same trick for the year field. If someone selected a specific year, it'll display that, otherwise it says all years. So the complete formula looks like this. Sales report for end. If isFiltered sales category, selected value sales category, all categories, and end. If isFiltered sales year, selected value sales year, all years. You can always pause here and go back if you want to make sure you get the formula just right. It might be a bit tricky at first, but after a few tries, it'll become second nature. Next up, let's actually put this dynamic title onto a visual. Click on your chart, maybe a column chart showing sales by category or year. Then find the Format pane, open up the Title section, and you'll see an FX button for conditional formatting. Click that, choose Format by Field Value, and pick your new measure, Dynamic Title. Hit OK, and you're good to go. Now for the fun part, testing it out. Try clicking on a slicer for year. Watch how the chart title updates instantly to match your selection. Pick a category, and you'll see it change again. And if you clear all your filters, the title will revert to all categories in all years. This feedback is great for helping viewers know exactly what data they're looking at, especially if your dashboard lets them drill down or explore different segments. A quick tip, you can make your titles even smarter if you want. For example, you could add key figures right into the title like so, total sales, and format total sales 0. Or if you've got slicers that let people select multiple values, use CONCAT and ATX to list them in the title, making it even more dynamic. And that's it. With just a couple of steps, you've made your dashboards more user-friendly and your visuals far more insightful. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit like. And if you have any questions or want to share your own title formulas, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using dynamic titles. Be sure to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials, and as always, thanks for watching.